Example 5. So in part 1, explain why 6 times 24 is a perfect square. So building on from the previous part, the part on top, perfect square means that the number is square rootable. So therefore, there's no such term as square rootable, but I'm just going to use that as a layman term. Okay, so perfect square, first we know that from example 4, it means that the powers are even. Powers must be even. Okay, powers of what? Powers of the prime factors. So let's prime factorize 6 times 24. So you can calculate 6 times 24 and then prime factorize 144, which is one method. Another method is just to prime factorize 6 times 24 individually. So 6 will be 2 times 3. 24 will be 2, 12, 6, 3, 3. Okay, so times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which will give us 2 to the power 4 times 3 squared. So since powers of each prime factors of 6 times 24 is even, or you can say is a multiple of 2. Okay, then 6 times 24 is a perfect square. Okay, so if 6 times 24 times k is a perfect cube, this means that 2 to the power 4 times 3 squared times k is a perfect cube. So if a perfect square must have even powers, a perfect cube must have... No, it's not odd powers. It is powers that are multiple of 3. Okay, so so if you are multiplying by k and k is a non-zero whole number, that means k could be 1, 2, 3, so on. But we don't know what is k, right? Okay, so for k to be a whole number, and whole numbers are positive, so it means that I must find the powers right above 4 and 2, but are multiple of 3. So the next multiple of 3 after 4 that is larger than 4 will be 6. The next power that is a multiple of 3 larger than 2 will be 3. So we want to change 2, 4 to 2, 6. So 2, 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2, 6 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we need to multiply 2, 4 by another 2 times. Multiply 2, 4 to the power 4 by 2 twice. Okay, so that means that k must be 2 times 2 and something else. Then 3 squared is 3 times 3. 3 cubed will be 3 times 3 times 3. So similarly, I must multiply a 3 here. So k will simply be 2 squared times 3, which is 12.